Hi, my name is Mike Gonzalez. With our research partner, we will be doing today flush mount electrical penetration and using DuPont FlexWrap. So the FlexWrap is a big already pre-cut. It should be 2 inches over the Tyvek and 1 inch inside of the box. So this is suitable for electrical penetration, for plumbing penetration, HVAC penetration, and also for commercial and residential application. So let's start pulling out the release paper. Just putting on top of the Tyvek without stretching, going around the box and doing the shape of the box like that. Applying some pressure over the flashing. Once you create the shape around the box, Kid and I have to do a small cut on the center, just right here, small square cut, like that. So you have to make sure at least 1 inch is gonna get inside of the box and 2 inches on the exterior over the now. Just start doing and apply pressure inside the box. So with the help of the quick flashing tool, spatula, you're gonna good job. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, comment, drop your comment below, and subscribe. All right.